I've washed it 4 times, I've conditioned it once, and I've done a hot oil treatment once. Hey guys, it's Ezinne here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about the rules that I broke before, during, and after installing my Microlocs. I know that sounds like a lot, but it's just 5 of them. Okay, so let's begin. The first rule I broke was the rule of washing your hair. The general thing is to not wash your hair at least 1 month after installation, but I washed my hair 1 week after installation. I washed it in the 2nd week, in the 3rd week, and in the 4th week. So guys, so far I've washed my hair 4 times and it's not even up to 1 month. I've washed it 4 times, I've conditioned it once, and I've done a hot oil treatment once. I know. And the whole point of not washing your hair is for fear of your twists unraveling, especially if you started your locks using 2-strand twists like I did. However, that was the very least of my worries, because I'm like, if the twists are going to come undone because I washed my hair, so be it. There's no way I'm going through life for 1 full month without washing my hair. That I might just have to check into a mental facility because I'm going to lose my mind. The second rule I broke, the rule of grids. When I was getting this hair done, the only thing that I was interested in, the only grid, the only pattern that mattered to me was the center pattern. The moment I got this right, I was good. I really wanted my locks to have like the brick layering look, which I prefer, and I also think that the brick layering pattern gives your hair a fuller look. For anyone who has thin hair, this might be something you want to consider as opposed to the sister lock grid system that most people with Microlocs typically use. If you're someone who cares about grid and how your hair lays and all of that, that is absolutely fine. It's just not for me. So here, there's a middle part. So most of it was finger parted, and I honestly didn't have a particular look that I was going for. I just wanted to put these things in and be done, really. But I feel like if I had installed traditional locks, I maybe would have paid more attention to the grid, because then the locks are bigger and my scalp is more visible. But with Microlocs, where my scalp isn't as visible as it would be if it were traditional locks, I honestly didn't think I needed to bother about it. And the third rule I broke was the rule of braiding and banding. I did not braid and band until I was ready to wash my hair the first time. I was going to bed with the micro twists for 1 whole week. So at night, the only thing I would do is just throw on my bonnet, go to bed. Next morning, take the bonnet off, spray some rose water, and go about my day. So the only time I braided and banded was when I was ready to wash it the first time. Okay? And the last rule that I broke was the rule of blow drying before installation. Guys, of all the rules, this is the only one that I regretted. You know why? Because after I washed my hair the first time, I realized that a majority of the twists were bigger than I thought they were. And so I had to go back in and split them. So that was so much work for me, especially because there were so many of them. So blow dry your hair, guys. Blow dry. There's a reason why you should blow dry. I didn't do that and I regretted it. But yeah, it wasn't such a big deal, but you know, it took my time. That would be it for this video. Guys, if you have any specific questions you want me to answer about my new hairstyle, please feel free to leave those questions in the comments, because I may not pick up on all of them unless someone directly asked me a specific question. Okay? Yeah. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.